Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where we discuss all things finance and investing. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and why it is considered a safe haven asset in times of uncertainty. In recent years, Bitcoin has become increasingly popular as an investment vehicle, with its value skyrocketing and falling rapidly, capturing headlines and attention around the world. Many investors see it as a way to hedge against inflation, while others view it as a speculative asset with little intrinsic value. But what makes Bitcoin a safe haven asset in times of uncertainty? And why do some investors turn to Bitcoin instead of more traditional safe haven assets like gold or government bonds? Let's dive in and find out. The concept of safe haven assets. Before we dive into why Bitcoin is considered a safe haven asset, it's important to understand what a safe haven asset is and why investors turn to them in times of uncertainty. A safe haven asset is an investment that is expected to maintain or increase in value during times of market volatility and economic uncertainty. When global events such as political unrest, natural disasters, or pandemics occur, investors may look to safe haven assets as a way to protect their portfolios from losses. These investments are typically seen as low risk, and they tend to be less volatile than other types of assets. Some common examples of safe haven assets include gold, government bonds, and cash. Why Bitcoin is a safe haven asset? So why do some investors turn to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset in times of uncertainty? There are a few key reasons. Firstly, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or central authority. This makes it less vulnerable to government interference, which can be a concern for investors who are worried about political instability or economic uncertainty in their home country. Additionally, Bitcoin's supply is limited to 21 million coins, which means that it is not subject to inflationary pressures in the same way that fiat currencies are. This makes it an attractive investment for those who are concerned about inflation eroding the value of their assets. Another reason why Bitcoin is considered a safe haven asset is that it is highly liquid. This means that it can be bought and sold quickly and easily, which can be important for investors who need to be able to move their money quickly during times of market volatility. Bitcoin is also seen as a safe haven asset because it has a low correlation with other types of assets, such as stocks and bonds. This means that it can provide diversification benefits to investors who are looking to reduce their overall portfolio risk. Finally, Bitcoin is widely regarded as a store of value. While its value can be volatile in the short term, many investors believe that it has the potential to appreciate in value over the long term, making it a valuable asset to hold as part of a diversified portfolio. Examples of Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. So, how has Bitcoin performed as a safe haven asset in times of uncertainty? Let's take a look at a few examples. During the COVID-19 pandemic, global markets experienced significant volatility as investors worried about the impact of the virus on the global economy. While stocks and other traditional assets saw significant declines in value, Bitcoin actually saw its value increase, with many investors turning to it as a safe haven asset. Similarly, during the political unrest in the United States following the 2020 presidential election, Bitcoin saw its value increase as investors sought to protect their portfolios from potential losses. Finally, in countries experiencing hyperinflation, such as Venezuela and Zimbabwe, Bitcoin has become an increasingly popular safe haven asset. In these countries, where traditional currencies have lost significant value, Bitcoin has provided a way for individuals to protect their wealth and move it out of the country. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.